Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to set up your shipping on Shopify store. So first of all, we go on the left bottom, we're going to click on settings. And after you click on settings, you're going to do and you're going to click on shipping and delivery. So this is the place where you fulfill your orders and people will pay for shipping. You got to make sure that your shipping is enough money to fulfill your shipping prices. So you got to be careful. If it's a domestic or international, you got to overcharge them based on that. So there's different rates for domestic and international. So first of all, this is not my address, by the way, so don't try to send me anything. This is just an example video. So first of all, we go ahead and click on general shipping rates. We click on manage, and then you're gonna see the economy like based on the price that you have, and you're gonna see if you're gonna add a rate or not. If you're drop shipping, you don't need to do any shipping because the drop shipping websites like the integrated websites will have a rating for you, so you gotta be careful. So the shipping origins is gonna be from my house. This is a example house, by the way, and then you're gonna add a rate. So let's click on add a rates, and based on the carrier that you have, let's say you're working with UPS or any other carriers like Alibaba or whatever you want, you can click on use carrier apps and then you can click on UPS, DHL, or whatever you want. DHL is like more international, and you can easily add things like 10% of the fee. You can add a $10 flat amount or anything that you want. So that's easy. And you can see that there's economy condition is $50 and up. You can do standard where it can arrive in 3 to 4 business days, and economy is the free one. I would prefer you guys to do the economy one since most people want their shipping to be fast, and you can get more sales, or you can have the options here. You can see DHL Express here, and everything is listed there. Start shipping to more places. You can go to markets, and you can like do international shipping. So the United States is the primary market. Other markets are international, or you can add countries. So that's easy. However, let's say that you want to do a shipping setting. So you want to make sure that you are delivering from home. You gotta make sure that you check your shipping carriers. So let's try to choose this one, edit rate. You can set the price $5 here based on how much you're paying for shipping, or you can make it free by adding the shipping price into the product. So let's say if your product is $10, you can make it $10.40 and pay for the 40 cents of shipping. So this is just an example. If you have a small product, nobody will pay 40 cents for the shipping. Um, so this is the international. If you want to do international, you can click on go to markets. I mean, you won't have any international sales because you're probably just starting if you're watching this video. However, you can do that. You can click on worldwide based on the carrier you have. So we have DHL, it's worldwide, and you can put the percentage. So this is the percentage of the product, and there's handling fee of $10. You can add a rate. You can do standard based on your shipping carrier. You gotta like make sure you have a deal with them. You can click, you can say $10 and press done, and the thing will be shipped out to you, and you can click on save. And so that was basically it. So that's how you add a rate. So it will be here, and you can click on carrier and app rates to find it out. You can also change the countries, create a zone, and let's say you want to ship it from Germany. The Shopify has like um, what is it called? The deals with like other countries which they can ship it to you. So let's find Germany, or you can add another market and find it out from there. Um, so let's see if I can show you guys anything else. Yeah, so basically you can change and manage your shipping address as well. You just gotta remove your address. Um, you can click on the countries that are offering the regions. Like these countries are offering the um, shipping things. As you guys can see here, these are the ones that are available, and this is most of the countries in the world, like those developed countries. So you won't have any problems with Shopify. Don't worry about it. They're like almost in every single country. Um, oh, processing time. So this is very important, guys. I want to talk over this. So show the delivery dates to your customers by setting a process time. So let's say you're buying a product and it says it will be arriving in 5 to 6 days, or it will tell you a time. That's how you do it. You can click on here, processing time. Use processing time to show delivery dates. So you can do 2 days, next business day, and same business day. So that's how you do it. So this is the checkout example. When you change it, it will say in 2 days. So this is like the processing time. This is like the shipping time. This is not the delivery time. This is when the fulfiller fulfills the product. So that's very important. Next business day is here also. And also you can learn more about business, I mean, delivery times. So these are the countries of origins that are listed here that you can use. And calculating your delivery data is here. So if an order cut off, then the order will be placed after 12 p.m., so January 2022. Um, processing time, if there's a holiday, there will be a delay. If the transit time is different, you got to be careful about that too. Let's see if I can show anything else. Oh yeah, we didn't talk about delivery customization, or let's do shipping labels. So you can easily print shipping labels. You can press on print label and it will definitely do it for you. However, you gotta pay for it, and there's discounts on everyone doing that. So you can like click on it. You can write the zip code, zip code, standard envelope, and calculate the discounted rate, and there will be a price for you on the right. So if you live in the US, you can use that. There's packing slips and carry accounts. You can upgrade your account, upgrade your plan, and make like you can make money by doing that. You can custom order fulfillment, add a fulfillment service by adding your name and your address, and you can add a package. So just make up a name, talk about the width based on the um, based on the what is it called? Like the package you have. And you can easily do that. This is really easy. You can add a package, like click on add a package, and it will definitely do it for you. And that was um, basically it for this Shopify shipping thing. So shipping is very important. You gotta make sure that your customers had the best shipping experience, or else they won't receive um, their thing, like their product. So that's very important. So make sure to put your shipping right. And that was basically it for this video. We're uploading videos every single day, so please make sure to subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. And goodbye, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching.